Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast. Hope you're all doing well. Links are in the video description below. Now last week you can see we just got clear sideways movement, but we did get a few good moves. We was mainly focusing on targeting the all-time high and using the liquidity grabs below and manipulation areas as bullish support. So on Tuesday we got like a nice bullish move from here. Thursday actually, we've got this movement up here. And that's the kind of what we was focusing on last week, getting that continuation up to target the all-time high. But as you can see on the chart, price just went sideways and we are still in that bullish structure, but last week just ranged sideways. So now we're going to go on to a new chart, nice plain chart. We're going to start on a higher time frame and just go over the story of price action and just see what we can expect this week. Now this week is a new month for September, so expect new volume going into the market. On Monday, we have US holiday, Labor Day, so don't expect too much on Monday. I would have that as a day off. And then you got non-farm payroll and a few PMIs through the week. I think you got JOLTs news too. So we're ending the week with non-farm payroll. So a lot of news to be trading, mainly towards the end of the week. I'll be trading. Now let's go. So this is the monthly time frame. Let's get rid of the period separators. So on the monthly, we're still expecting that retracement back to this sort of level. So that's what we're looking at over the next few months. You can see we're starting to hit some sort of resistance and the candles are slowing down towards the upside. That's all you can see on that time frame. Now on the weekly, we have an interesting consolidation and we're still seeing this bullish move as a fake out. So on the weekly time frame, we're still looking for the reversal to give an impulse move down to target these lows, this gap here, and then that higher time frame retracement to this sort of level. So we're still focusing on that downwards movement on the weekly time frame. Then we go down to the daily, and that's when price action starts to give you more structure on what it's doing. So far, we've had your consolidation, move up, consolidation, move up, and then we're consolidating again. So we're just doing the same thing over and over again. Now at the moment you're just creating liquidity above, and that's what I'll be targeting this week still. Zoom in on the daily time frame. You don't really have much structure. This downwards move retested this support resistance here. Impulse move up, now we're going sideways, but we're still above this area. So we're still in a bullish structure, continuing to the upside. And you're kind of getting a nice little wedge pattern, something like that, which is building pressure towards the upside. So that's just a rough indication on what price is doing on the daily time frame. Then you go down to the 4 hour, and this is when you get the weekly structure. So you can see why price was moving sideways last week. Now it was just moving into that sideways wedge and expecting a continuation, building up pressure towards the upsides. These don't really need to be to an exact level. It's just a rough indication of what price is doing. Now we go put in the manipulation areas. So you have one there that got retested. So that's a bullish support, already been retested. We don't need to come down to this area. So we don't look to go below this low. This is your fake out. This is your buying price. So there will be buy orders in this area. So they will want to protect them. Then we move up. This is your main manipulation area running along. And you can see how it's been used as bullish support. So that's just a rough indication because it is on a 4 hour time frame. That is a big area. You can see we're building up liquidity above. Let's just move that so you can have more of a better analysis. So that is just showing liquidity above. So now we've come on Friday, we came back down to that bullish manipulation area once again. So what you'd want to be seeing next is a continuation up from here. You don't want to see a break of these lows. You could do, but it would be the last chance. That would be taking a previous weekly low, and then you'd want a reversal straight away, because that can be an entry and a bullish confirmation. So taking the previous weekly low, then getting a reversal straight away would be a bullish confirmation. But what you'd be wanting to see really is that bullish move to start, retracement, and then you should get your continuation up into the wedge and then a break of the high, especially as it's non-farm payroll. I don't see how price can stay within this wedge this week with all the news that is coming out. So I still expect it to continue towards the upside. We're still within a bullish structure and price action is still there. Now go down to the hourly. What do we have? Now obviously we got this smaller time frame manipulation area which we was using last week. If I could just put it on the chart. So that is running along there like that. It's not a very good one, but it would need to be on the chart. And that is also in line with this breaker here. So you could also have this. This is the high time frame breaker which started the downwards move. So this area here would be used as your bullish support. You don't really need all of this on your chart. It's just showing you a build up of support in that area. So what you'd be looking for is that impulse move up. When I can do it right. Then using that area as support, then you can get into the bullish move to target the all-time high once again. That's what I'll be looking for from the start of the week mainly. I'll be looking to get into that move at the start of the week because we've already come to that bullish support. So I'm looking for that to hold, then the continuation up to occur. And that's just to follow that analysis. I think that's all clear actually. You've got liquidity to target above, very clear. You're in a bullish market structure. You have manipulation areas being used as bullish support. And then yeah, you have the volume this week to be kicked into the market. If we do get something else, then I will post on the free channel, Telegram channel. Obviously the VIP members get updated every day. But that's what I'm looking to do this week. That is my analysis for the week. And at the moment, it looks quite good. It looks quite a strong forecast for the week on gold. Mention me if you've got any questions. Links are all in the video description. Take care, have a good day, and goodbye.